Hi and welcome back to the channel. I'm Hakeemuddin Lohawala, and today we are going to talk about a simple Excel function called EDATE and how it can be used to calculate expiry dates, plus how you can use it in your day-to-day reporting. Let's see how it works. So here in front of us we have got a sheet where we have the manufacturing date of a product and we know that it expires in how many months. So let's calculate the expiry date using the EDATE function. Open parenthesis, select the start date and the number of months for calculation of expiry, hit enter, and the date is calculated for your reference very easily. Now this is a very simple example. You can use it for adding months by using plus number addition, or if you want to subtract the months you can put a minus number. Let's see how it works in our day-to-day reporting. In front of me I've got a depreciation sheet where I have a fixed asset register where certain dates have been captured manually. So let's say if I have a purchase date of a fixed asset on 22nd of June, the depreciation ends on 21st of June for it after a few months. Now let's use the EDATE function and see how it works. So EDATE, date of purchase, comma, number of months, and if I hit enter, it will calculate exactly the same number of the dates in terms of the same number of months. So 22nd June will become 22nd June here, but I want to subtract one day, so I'll just put a -1 here so that my depreciation end dates are correct for my reporting. Now when I add a new asset, this will help me calculate the end date for that new asset very easily. The second thing is the column headers. Now my reporting date is 31 of December, so these months are from Jan to December. Now generally we put Jan, Feb, and then we can drag and drop it, but whenever you create a copy of the sheet, you have to keep doing that, keep changing the headers. And imagine if you have multiple places where you have these dates mentioned. So let's see how the EDATE function can help us. So is equal to EDATE, open bracket, select the start date. Now we can do a reverse calculation, so I'm going to put a -11, enter, and this shows as January 23. Now before we copy this formula, let's fix the reference for the cell A3 by using F4 key or putting the $sign here. And for -11, I want to put it, instead of -11, I want to select a cell reference here where I will put -11. Now this -11, -10, so on and so forth will go on till the month of December for me. I will just change the font color to white so it is not visible in my report when I print it. And now I will copy the formula till the end, and all my date headers are calculated automatically. Now how does this help? Very quickly, let's copy this sheet. Let's say we are preparing this fixed asset register for 2024. Now I'm just going to change the date of my report, and automatically all my column headers have changed for my reporting. That's a simple and easy way of using EDATE for your day-to-day reporting. Hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. See you next time. Have a nice day.